Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this short Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set or update the advanced file properties in your Excel workbooks. When I say advanced file properties, I mean the metadata and additional information stored with your Excel file. Things like the title, author, category, keywords, and even custom properties. Many people don't even realize this exists or know how to access it. But it's really handy, especially if you're sharing workbooks with colleagues or clients. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access advanced file properties. Once you've opened or created a workbook, click the File tab at the top left. Select Info in the sidebar. On the right side, you'll see a Properties drop-down. Click the drop-down and select Advanced Properties. This opens a dialog box where you can view and edit different properties for your Excel workbook. Step 2. Summary tab. The Summary tab lets you fill in key information about your file. Title. Subject. You can match this to the title or use something descriptive. Author. Add your name or the primary person responsible. Manager, company, category, keywords, and comments. Optional but helpful for organisation and searching. There's also a hyperlink base field, which is for advanced linking purposes. If you're not sure, you can leave it blank. Step 3. Other tabs. General displays basic information like file type, size, and location. This is read-only. Statistics shows when the file was created, modified, or accessed. Again, these aren't editable. Contents gives an outline of your workbook, including the number of worksheets. If your workbook has multiple sheets, they'll all appear here. Custom. This is the powerful part. Here you can create custom properties. Step 4. Adding custom properties. For example, I could add name, checked by value. We will enter this name. Click Add. Next, I can add another name, editor value. We will enter this name. Click Add. You can create as many custom fields as you like, maybe project codes, version numbers, or departments. When you're done, click OK, and all these properties are now associated with your workbook. Step 5. Viewing your updated properties. Back in the Info tab under Properties, you can now see Title, Category, and Author, Manager, Comments, and any custom properties you added. This is especially useful for important Excel files before sharing them internally or externally. It helps others understand your file at a glance. Step 6. Tips. Fill out advanced properties for important files to keep them professional and searchable. Use custom fields to track things like reviewers, editors, or project numbers. Even optional fields can make a big difference when sharing files across teams or companies. And that's it. Now you know how to set and edit advanced file properties in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.